Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto breakfast strata with sausage and mushrooms. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. So we're making a breakfast strata, and you wouldn't think that you could make a strata on keto, but you can because we're going to use keto bread. I like using keto bread. Some people, they don't want to use keto bread, but I don't mind using it. It doesn't like make my, I don't know, it doesn't stall my progress or anything like that. So anyway, to start with this recipe, we need 8 slices of keto bread. And that's what we have done here because we cut them into cubes and then we toasted them in a 400-degree oven for 8 minutes. And so I like to use Sola keto bread. So you can see, you can just hear how this bread just got really nice and toasty. So that is ready to go. We've got our toasted bread, because that's what is a strata. You put in toasted bread. So now let's get to making the liquid part of our strata with the eggs. We've got a dozen large eggs, and I'm going to pour in 2 cups of half and half, and a teaspoon of kosher salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. So now we just need to whisk our eggs together. I like to use a balloon whisk for this, not a flat whisk, because then it's a lot easier to bust the yolks with the flat whisk, with the balloon whisk. Okay, now we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. We already cooked and crumbled a pound of breakfast sausage, so I'm going to add that to the bowl, to our eggs. I'm going to add 1½ cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And a ½ cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. So we're just going to quickly stir this because we still need to add our bread. Okay, now I'm going to dump my bread in. Mix that in. So traditional stratas require you to soak the bread in the liquid kind of like overnight. But the good thing about keto bread is it's actually quite absorbent, so you don't have to, you can just skip that step. So that makes for a much quicker recipe. Okay, we're gonna pour this into a 9x13 casserole dish. Whew, that was heavy. That we sprayed with cooking spray. We want to make sure it's in a single layer, make sure our bread is evenly distributed, or in our toppings, or our filling, not toppings. Okay, and now to finish this off, I've got a cup of sliced mushrooms here. This, you could use whatever mushrooms you want. I just had some shiitake mushrooms in the refrigerator, but I normally just use button mushrooms. So I'm just going to put these in here. Okay, this is going to bake in a 350-degree oven. It's going to need to bake for about 45 minutes to an hour. You want to make sure it's completely set and all of the egg is set, all of the, it's not liquidy or anything like that. So in the oven it goes. Okay, here is our breakfast casserole out of the oven, or strata, and it looks so good. So let's cut it into 10 servings. So this would be the perfect casserole for meal prep, or you could use it as like a Sunday morning, family casserole, or even like Christmas morning or any kind of a holiday morning. Okay, look at this. Let me scoop a serving out. Spatula under there, and oh my gosh, look at that. That looks so good. So let me just get a fork and try a bite. All right, let's see here. That looks so good. So good. I love the texture from the bread. It's perfectly cheesy and delicious. So be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.